Here at Carmody Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people, on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture. We pay our respect to the elders past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by the sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, my first message is to congratulate our Year 4 students who attended the city camp at the start of the week. I had the pleasure of joining our students on the Monday as we travelled in by train. We took our bags to the camp in the centre of the city and we walked down to the Shrine of Remembrance. It was fantastic on the way back to walk past the Arts Centre and explore the large glass window at the front of the building with the water running down. I remember doing that when I was your age. Just want to say a really big thank you, students. Fantastic to see the enjoyment, and it was just brilliant to see those values demonstrated, such as respect and responsibility, rigour. And I must also say a really big thank you to our staff for giving up your time, all the energy that you put in planning and preparing to ensuring the camp was a total success for our students. My next message is about the colour run. As you know, unfortunately we had to postpone due to weather, but Mrs Wrigley has organised another date in June, and that information will be coming out very, very shortly. So yes, we are going to run the colour run. I'm looking forward to it and it's going to be a lot of fun. And SWPBS for next week, the value relates to responsibility, and that is in the playground. We follow the playground rules, and your teachers, staff across the school will be speaking to you about that. Finally, just a reminder to read every single day, even on weekends. And for those students that ride bikes or scooters around, not only out of school hours, but on the way to school, on the way home on weekends, please ensure you wear a helmet, and that helmet, the buckle, chin strap is done up securely. All right, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
I like how you're gradually doing it. That's cool. How good's that?
This is better than last time.
Success.
It's not gonna work. Oh, it did. Oh, it actually made a bigger explosion. Quick, quick!
No, we're not making it. There we go.
It looks like cotton candy. It looks like cotton candy.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go! Bro. That looks so cool. It's full.
Should we pour it in?
1.
Oh.
Should we do it?
And press it.
That was so cool.
Wash it out. Let's go wash it out.
Nice.
No, we have to put the lid in for you.
That's good.
2 cups.
Oh, there's different colors.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. That's so cool.
I put my hand in
Yeah, look at how there's a distinct line, isn't there?
Can I play with it?
Put it.
Grab onto it. See how it feels.
Oh.
Can we touch it? I did.
Yeah, you can slap.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, I'm running out of supplies.
Ready? 3, 2, ready? 1.
Put it in here.
How good's that? How cool's that?
Oh, yeah! No, woo! Run away! I don't think we have it. Oh, ready?
everyone. Well, we've had lots of fun over the last few weeks laughing around at my jokes, but I thought this week I'm going to get your brains thinking with a riddle. So here you go. What goes up and down but doesn't move? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out what the answer is. Okay, let's see whose brain is really switched on this week. What goes up and down but doesn't move? The answer is a staircase. Great job if you worked that one out. I'm very impressed. I hope you all have a fabulous week and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.
Hi everyone, Ms Hollandquist here with an important announcement. Our district athletics team for 2023 has now been finalised. Being displayed across your screen are names of those lucky students who had great results on the athletics day and have now been selected to represent our school in the individual events. Please take a close look to see if you can find your name. If you can find your name, can you please go home and let your parents know that there is a Compass post about the event where a payment and consent will need to be made. The event is going to be held at the Casey Fields Athletics Track on Wednesday the 21st of June. Congratulations on being selected on the team. We hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to show great sportsmanship and have fun. If you think you may have made the team but you couldn't see your name, you could come across to room 40 where the team will be displayed on our office windows. There will be more information to come closer to the event. Thanks. Well done on being selected. See you soon.
Next week's SWPBS is we line up when instructed.
Quick, lining up time, we have to go get a drink, we have to go to the toilet, we have to